Loose connections. They might seem harmless, but trust me, these bad boys can cause a whole load of trouble. So, let's tighten things up and get down to business. What exactly is a loose connection? Imagine trying to shake hands with a wet fish. No matter how hard you grip, there's no solid connection, right? The same thing happens with wires. When they're not snugly connected, sparks fly, resistance builds, and things get, well, electrifying in all the wrong ways. Here's why loose connections are a big deal. Fire frenzy. Loose connections create heat, and heat loves causing fires. Think of faulty plugs, sizzling switches, and crispy wall sockets. Not the kind of house party we're after. Flickering funk. Ever seen a light bulb turn into a disco ball or an appliance sputter like a grumpy dragon? That's the inconsistent flow of electricity caused by loose connections, giving you more of a light show than you bargained for. High voltage sine, shock therapy, not the good kind. A loose connection can act like a sneaky resistor, making the current take weird paths. The worst case scenario? You getting zapped. Not cool, not fun, and not part of the electrical entertainment package. Electronic executions. Loose connections can cause voltage spikes and sparks, which can damage sensitive electronics like your computer, TV, or gaming console. Think of it like a lightning strike for your gadgets, not exactly a spa day for your circuits. But don't panic, electrifiers. We're not gonna let these loosey-goosey connections get the best of us. Here's how to check for them and avoid electrical mayhem. Plug patrol. Give those plugs a wiggle test. If they feel loose, unplug them carefully and check the prongs and the socket for damage or corrosion. Tighten them up if needed. Switch swat. Remove the cover plate of a switch or outlet, with the power off, of course, and check the screw terminals holding the wires. Make sure they're nice and snug. High voltage sine. Safety first. High voltage sine. Remember, electrical work can be tricky, and safety is always the top priority. If you're ever uncomfortable or in doubt about tackling a loose connection yourself, don't hesitate to call a licensed electrician. They have the expertise and tools to fix the problem safely and efficiently. So, don't risk zapping yourself or causing bigger issues. Let the pros handle it. Appliance A-Team. Inspect cords and connections on appliances for any signs of wear or tear, kinks, or loose plugs. If something looks suspicious, it's time to retire that appliance and get a new one. Pro tip: regular maintenance is your best friend. Give your electrical system a once-over every few months to keep those connections happy and healthy. Yo, electrifiers! Before you zap away, don't forget to check out the awesome products I've linked in the video description. Remember, electrifiers, electricity is awesome, but it deserves respect. By understanding and avoiding loose connections, you can keep your home buzzing with safe, efficient, and drama-free power. Now go forth and conquer those electrical gremlins. And don't forget to subscribe for more electrifying adventures.